Hey guys, so today's tutorial is a jewelry box. So please subscribe my channel and give a big thumbs up. So this is my first video guys. So please watch fully and without wasting the time, let's get started. Okay, the first we need this ice cream box I'm using here. So first you need this acrylic paint. Acrylic acrylic paint you can use or anything, any color you like. I'm using here pink color and I'll use this rounded brush to paint it. Just take it little paint and you have to paint only this white part. It will look like this and you have to just neatly paint and let it dry for some time. Okay, so let's leave for few minutes. And we are going to use this cap also. We are not painting this, but we are going to decorate it. So how I'm going to decorate, I'll tell you. So first we need a circle paper. In this size only you have to cut. This is the circle paper. I'm going to stick this one ulta. So this one, this paper you can see, I have cut it from this paper only, round shape. So this is the paper and just apply the glue over here. You can use any white glue. I'm using white glue or any glue it's available in your home. So I'm just merging with the brush. Flat brush you can use to merge your glue. It will be nice. Something like this. And just this paper you have to, where is the color? There you have to stick it like this ulta. And white one base it should be here and purple it should be over here. As you can see, just stick it like this, then it looks like this purple color in outside. So to cover this part, this it's written printed one, and I'll just cover with one pot, flower pot cutout I have with the pattern paper I have cut. I'll show you the pattern paper. So this is the pattern paper and I have ordered with Amazon. You can also order. It's very nice. So this one cutout I have cut. So in this also same you have to apply the white gum and merge with the brush only. It will be nice. So then we are going to stick it. First your in your cap in the down part I am going to stick this pot. Something like this. After sticking it will look like this. So inside it's very empty place. So we are going to put some pattern over here also. So here I'm sticking the heart shapes. I have two cutouts of heart shape You can cut any sizes which your boxes have. So this is the one, and this is second one I have cut from the craft paper. I'll show you the craft paper. This is the craft paper. In this I have cut some heart shapes, and this is the from color paper you can cut, and I'll just apply the glue and merge with the brush same like in. Then you have to stick it. You have to stick it straight only and in the middle. So carefully just stick the heart shape over here. You can see this pattern, like this pattern you can see, and you stick in the middle. It should not be ulta. So this is the heart I have stick. So next heart I will stick over here. So in this also same, I'll apply the white glue and merge with the brush. And just carefully stick it with the in upon the heart only you have to stick it. You can see. If you want, you can use the dry brush to stick it neatly, something like this. It will look like this inside when you are opening the jewelry box. This is the heart shape, and back side it will look like this. So we are going to apply the coat of a glue. So you have to put white glue. If you want, you can mix some water also. If you're mixing some water and glue, then it will be very nice. Just put a coat of a glue. Then you can wash your lid also even if you want, because it will be sealed. Extra glue you have to take out like this and just apply this side also like this. If you have put in more glue, you can take out like this and just apply in back side also. This. So in this side also I am putting a coat of a glue. If you want, you can put two coats of glue like this. After drying, you can see how it will look. So next we need that ice cream box which we have done color. This was our ice cream box we have painted. If you don't want to paint, you can just leave like that only and just do. And next we are going to put here a paper. So in this we are taking this paper. I have to print out of this, and I have written jewelry box. So it's written jewelry box, and I'll just stick over here in my box, and it will look very nice. The print is very nice. So first you have to put the glue. Same glue I'm using here, white glue, and the brush also. Just apply nicely, then it will be good. Like this. Then slowly you have to just stick your paper. I'll show you like this. In the middle it should come. You can see, and back side like this. I'm going to highlight the letters with my marker. You can take any permanent marker. If it is permanent, it will be very nice. Just highlight the codes like this. You can see. Even you can write with the gold marker if you have. Like this. So the box is ready. So you have to apply again a coat of glue to seal your artwork, because if you're not putting a coat of glue, it will not be safe. If you're applying the glue, it will be like waterproof. Just apply slowly, and if you're putting two coats of glue, it will be very nice. So I'm putting only one coat is enough. So I'll just stick it. And after that, leave it for a few minutes. And the cap is ready. You can see how nice it's looking after putting the coat of glue. Actually here it's not fully dry, so I'll just little more merge. Just leave for few minutes this one side, and I'll just detail over. I'll put some details over here. So we have this heart, and we will put some small dashes in that. If you want, you can outline it. If you're putting dashes small like outlines, it will look like we have stitched in that. You can use fat marker also to make this. You can see how I'm making it. And another one also like that way only you have to just do. Just now we have put the glue coat because so that it's not working in the marker. and just you have to do like this. So it's very beautiful, it's looking. So this side it's not dried, so we have to just neatly let it in. If you're opening, it will look like this, and inside, outside, like this. So maybe this is also dried. This is also fully not dried. When it is dry, it will look very nice. So this one also I'm going to dab with the cloth. If you have a dabber, you can just use that also to dab it. After dabbing, I'll just close the lid like this. So it's very nice and it's looking pretty and beautiful. So you can put anything over here, or else you can give some gift. You can keep the necklace. You can keep the necklace in that jewelry boxes and whatever you like. If you want to give a gift, it will be very nice. So that pretty much, guys. So in the next video, let's meet again. So bye bye.